would you look at that? The last video was uploaded 8 months ago. In this update, I redid the controls a bit. There's 5 moves instead of just 2. Dash and break are the same, except the break only works if you don't move your finger, so you can't aim the dash while breaking at the same time. The new moves, which I'm calling advanced maneuvers, are stall, boost, and steer. Stall lets you transfer all your momentum into a colliding object if you brake just before impact. This also stops you in place immediately. Timing is crucial here. Boost gives you more speed if you dash right after releasing the brake. This lets you gain speed quicker, but aiming becomes a challenge. Steer allows you to change direction as you're moving by pressing and dragging the pointer like you would when preparing to dash. This does not add speed and requires you to already be moving. It's useful for minor movement corrections. The next major thing I added is a simple menu that lets you modify various parameters. This was mainly to test player movement under different conditions to find the right balance for player controls. You can save and load a configuration you want to reuse or reset to the default values. The third thing of note is 2 new levels that you can select at any time. I say levels, but one is just a big empty box and the other is a straight corridor to test player speed. The final things to mention are a few minor tweaks. Previously, when you broke an object, the player would rebound off of it, but now you punch through, which feels more satisfying. Objects flash white when taking damage. The background now has a basic texture to better visualize movement in large spaces. The UI for touch inputs is reworked. Collision particles are slightly more visible. There's a frame rate counter. Damage inflicted is displayed on screen. Various level triggers are now visible, and glass uses a different shader. That's it. As always, link to all project resources are in the video description. I've added a changelog for each devlog and APK files if you want to play the game yourself. This project is free to use commercially or otherwise. Crediting is optional. Socials are Twitter, Discord, and Ko-fi. You can leave comments, suggestions, and/or criticisms below.